We are beginning with an asynchronous function named fetchData from roots, which takes a single parameter roots. This parameter is expected to be an array of URLs from which the function will fetch data. Here we enter a try block, which allows us to handle any potential errors that might occur during the execution of the code inside it in a controlled manner. We're mapping over the array of roots, converting each one into a fetch promise. The fetched response is parsed as JSON. If an error occurs during one of these fetches, rather than throwing an error and stopping the whole process, it is caught, and an object with the error is returned, ensuring the continuation of the other fetch operations. Using await and promise all, we execute all fetch promises in parallel. This is a powerful feature as it allows all requests to be made simultaneously, thus reducing the total time needed to make all the requests compared to making them sequentially. We're using the reduce method on the results array to separate the successful fetches from the errored ones. An accumulator object with data and errors arrays collects and segregates the fetched results. If a result contains an error key, it is added to the errors array, and if not, to the data array. Once all the promises are processed, the function returns an object with two properties: data, which contains all the successfully fetched data, and errors, which contains any errors that were caught during the process. Finally, we have an additional catch at the end of the try block to handle any unexpected errors that might have occurred during the processing of results. If such an error is caught, it is thrown again with a custom error message to signal that something went wrong while handling the parallel routes. And with that closing brace, our fetchData from roots function comes to an end. It showcases a robust way of handling multiple concurrent fetch requests in a Next.js server environment, with graceful error handling that avoids crashing the server in case any of the requests fail.